Do you wish there was a way to share announcements or promote new offers on Google My Business? You're not supposed to put this information in your GMB business profile, but a special service called Google Posts allows you to do just that. This content can show up in Google Search or Google Maps when someone does an online search. Some marketers believe that creating Google Posts can help businesses rank higher in the organic search results. In one case study, a marketing agency increased organic traffic and rankings for a local garage flooring company and a church by creating 2 Google Posts per week. Patient Pop also tested Google Posts with their clients and increased the number of booked appointments by an average of 11%. So, what type of content can you create in Google Posts? Posts are required to have a minimum of 100 words and can have a maximum of 300 words. Most businesses use event posts or regular posts. Regular posts expire after 7 days and can be used for business announcements, news, or status updates. This means you should create at least 1 new regular post per week. Event posts last until the event is over. They can drive customers to your event for a longer period of time. Both types of posts can be helpful for driving online traffic to your website. What else can you do with Google Posts? Google Posts show up on your GMB profile, and they are indexed like any other content. They will show up in independent search results. You are also allowed to schedule your Google Posts in advance or save them as drafts until you're ready to publish them. Another great feature of Google Posts is the ability to add an image to your post. This can increase click-through rates and engagement. If you want to upload images to Google Posts, they must be at least 400 by 300 pixels, 10 kilobytes in size, and nothing larger than 10,000 by 10,000 pixels can be used. Explore the rest of the Hoth's Learning Hub to learn more about local SEO and marketing. Do you need help with optimizing your Google My Business profile? We can help. Simply book a free strategy session with us at the link below.